Yeah, thank you very much. I would like to welcome you to this information session also about the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, as well as the Cluster of Excellence 3D Meta Made to Order. So my name is Miriam Weigand, and I am working as a marketing manager in the Cluster of Excellence 3D Meta Made to Order. So first of all, I will talk about why you should definitely come to Karlsruhe in order to study at the KIT. So Karlsruhe is located in the southwest of Germany. There are many lakes in the surrounding area, and in Karlsruhe itself, there is a beautiful castle. In the summertime, a huge festival with renowned musicians takes place in Karlsruhe. You can also visit France. So Paris is only 3 hours away by train. So yeah, there are many opportunities to have a good time here. So Karlsruhe itself is located in the technology region in the south of Germany. So one of the biggest companies are very nearby, for example, Siemens, Bosch, Daimler, and Zeiss. So if you decide to study here in Karlsruhe, you have a very good opportunity to do your internships in renowned companies. The KIT itself is a very well-known university and one of 11 universities of excellence in Germany. So therefore, the KIT is a really good platform in order to advance your research or your career in Germany. And it's also a very international university with more than 4,000 international scientists, and we have locations around the world, as we are also a member of the Helmholtz Association. The KIT has quite a few famous alumni, for example, Alexander Gerst, one of the German astronauts, or for example, Carl Benz, who invented one of the first car. So now I will continue with the Cluster of Excellence. So the Cluster of Excellence 3D Meta Made to Order was founded in 2019, and the vision is to achieve scalable digital 3D additive manufacturing, reaching all the way from the molecular via the nanometer and micrometer to the macroscopic scale. And the 3DM-M2O is a cluster between two universities of excellence, so between the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology and the Heidelberg University. So Heidelberg is a city 1 hour away from Karlsruhe. Within the cluster, we have 42 principal investigators and more than 130 members, and they all work interdisciplinary in 3 research thrusts. 21 principal investigators are active at the KIT here in Karlsruhe, and 21 of them are based in Heidelberg. So we can say that the physicists, the engineers, and the biologists are mainly based in Karlsruhe, and the chemists and also part of the biologists are based in Heidelberg. But they work very interdisciplinary, and in order to help each other to achieve the overall goal of the cluster, so to work in an interdisciplinary manner to make 3D printing finer and faster. The HiCA Graduate School is an integrative part of the cluster. So here on this slide, you can see an overview of the benefits of being part of the HiCA Graduate School. So the graduate school office coordinates the entire process before, during, and after the application. So aside supporting the young scientists in their scientific research leading up to their doctorate, the graduate school offers also a module program preparing them for a highly interdisciplinary research field. And in addition, the graduate school office organizes events specifically for young scientists, like the Young Scientist Retreat or welcome days, business breakfasts, journal clubs, and as well as other networking events. So let's dive into some key points. So the cluster understands the importance of financial support in research. So that's why our program provides access to research funds. And another cornerstone of our program is the high quality supervision of our researchers. So we foster a supportive environment that encourages collaboration and ensures each researcher reaches their full potential. And also recognizing the diverse needs of our researchers, we have developed a training program specifically tailored to their requirements. And this ensures that the young researchers that are part or that are in the higher graduate school acquire the skills necessary for success in their academic and professional journeys. So here, for example, you can see the 3 different types of modules that we are offering. So the hands-on scientific modules that help the doctoral researchers to tackle the technical challenges for their experimental or theoretical work in a highly interdisciplinary environment. So through these modules, they learn about expertise and infrastructure available within the cluster. So Then the doctoral researchers in the higher graduate school are also obliged to participate in at least one management module of their choosing. So being able to choose out of 7 units and 2 additional courses, participants will learn new and applicable skills such as project management, human resource management, and marketing. And then we have the science communication modules, for example, visual science communication or rhetoric and speaking. So this is your possibility as a researcher to reach visibility in research communication. So you learn how to present a poster or how to speak to a research audience. So if you are interested in doing your PhD in the cluster, you can find the QR code here on the slide and also the required application documents on the website. So you can take a look on our website to check out the open PhD positions that the cluster is offering. And yes. The cluster also offers a master program in material sciences and engineering. This is so this master is completely taught in English, and the application for matriculation is until March 31 every year for the upcoming summer term, and until September 30 every year for the upcoming winter term. And during this master, we are offering focal courses like functional materials, materials processing, computational material science, and structural materials. And the courses are led by the principal investigators of the Cluster of Excellence 3D Meta Made to Order. So here you can see a schematic. First of all, you need a bachelor degree in material science or materials engineering. And in the first year, you will take part in an internship as well as in the material science major courses. And after that, so in the following focal courses, you can choose one of the focal courses, depending on your background, on your bachelor background, and depending on your interests. Last but not least, I present you the Carl Zeiss Foundation Qualification Scholarship. So the Carl Zeiss Foundation funds a qualification scholarship program which supports up to 5 master students in the higher graduate school on functional materials per year. And the support includes not only a stipend of €800 per month for a year, but also enables scholarship holders participation in the higher graduate school on functional materials. So you get the opportunity to learn and to network on the doctoral level. And you can apply for it in September if you're interested in. So also here you can find the QR code on the slide. So yeah, if you have questions, feel free to contact me or my colleague, Stephanie Peer. Here is our email address. And yeah, thank you very much for your attention. And if you have questions, you can also type the questions in the chat and I will answer them afterwards. Thank you.